Hi, Assalamualaikum and very good evening. My name is Amirul Haki Haikal bin Arizam and I am from SR113-2A. I study at University Technology Mara, campus Cengke, Cawangan, Pahang. So today I want to present about cardiovascular system. So we will start with introduction first. The cardiovascular system consists of the heart, blood vessels, and blood. The cardiovascular system also transports nutrients and oxygenated blood and carry the oxygenated blood back to the lungs and repeat the process. Next, I will present about anatomy structure of the cardiovascular system. The parts of our circulatory system are heart, a muscular organ that pumps blood throughout our body, blood vessels, which include our arteries, veins, and capillaries. And the last one is blood, made up of red and white blood cells, plasma, and platelets. So the cardiovascular system structure consists of three components. First of all, we have heart. It pumps blood throughout the whole body. They have two sides of and four chambers. Second, we have blood vessels that have arteries, arterioles, capillaries, venules, and veins. And the last one, we have blood, and it's red in colors. The next one is anatomic structure of the heart. Our heart is divided into four chambers. We have two chambers on the top. It is atriums and pleural atria, and two on the bottoms. That is ventricles. One on each side of the heart. Right atrium, two large veins delivered oxygens, pure blood to our right atrium. So for the size and location, we have cone shapes about the size of its owner's fist, located in the center of the thorax. That is mediastinum, and the size is obliquely. For this slide, we have the cardiovascular picture. For the right uh, way, we have a superior vena cava, aortic seminolar valve, pulmonary seminolar valve, right atrium, tricuspid valve, inferior vena cava. And at the left side, we have aorta, pulmonary artery, pulmonary veins, left atrium, bicuspid mitral valve, left ventricle, and right ventricle. So we move to functions of cardiovascular system. Cardiovascular system have four functions. The first one is distributions, the second one is regulation function, the third one is protective function, and the lastly is removal function. For the first one, we have distribution function. Distribution function deliver of nutrients and oxygens to body tissue. Next, we have regulation function. Regulation functions maintains body temperature and control constant blood pH. And the third, we have protective function. Protective function is prevention from infection and hemostasis. And for the last one is removal function. It is removes carbon dioxide and metabolic waste. Next, I will talk about blood flow in the circulatory system. In circulatory system, we have two circulation. The first one is pulmonary circulation, and the second one is systemic circulation. For the pulmonary circulation, it carries the oxygenated blood from the heart to the lungs, where carbon dioxide and oxygen is added. Then it carries oxygenated blood back to the heart. And for the systemic circulation, we have supplies the tissues of the body with oxygenated blood and also return the oxygenated blood to the heart. Pulmonary circulation and systemic circulation have differences. For the differences of pulmonary circulation, it carries deoxygenated blood from heart to the lungs, and it carries oxygenated blood from the lung back to the heart. For the systemic circulation, it carries oxygenated blood from the heart to the body tissues and carries deoxygenated blood from body tissues back to the heart. Next, I will talk about abnormal heart condition. The first one we have arrhythmia. Arrhythmia is a irregular or abnormal heartbeat. So the types of arrhythmia have two. The first one is tachycardia, a fast heart rhythm with a rate higher than 100 ppm, and the second one is bradycardia, a slow heart rhythm with a rate lower than 60 bpm. For the added information, heart arrhythmia may not cause any signs or symptoms. In general, signs and symptoms of arrhythmia may include fluttering in the chest, a racing heartbeat, chest pain, and shortness of breath. The second one is atherosclerosis. Atherosclerosis is a sub-meaning for the arterial disease, a disease that occurs when plaque builds up inside arteries. The arteries get hard and narrow, which can block blood flow and lead to heart attack, blood clot, or stroke. And for the atherosclerosis systems, uh, they have no symptom until the artery is very narrow or entirely blocked. For the conclusion, the cardiovascular system consists of the heart, blood vessels, and blood which work together. And the conditions such as arrhythmia and atherosclerosis is a dangerous disease, and our life must be a healthy lifestyle to always keep healthy and healthy. That's all from me. Thank you.